Okay.
When you're removing the seals, if they are the new version of the Covana 1 seals, once you get your first screw out, then you can start to just pull on them or push in on the seal to remove it from the bracket. And afterwards you just go back and take out the old brackets. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Once you get the seal out, you want to line up the other one just to make sure that you have the same length, just to make sure that it's going to fit when it goes back in and you're in sequence. Okay, that's good. Alright. When you're installing the seals, it's best to make sure that your screws are all... Again, once you have the seal back in place, the seals are pushed into each other, you're then ready to screw the new seal back into place. You've completed the seal install. Okay. At this point, once your seal is perfect, then you can start putting your screws in.